How to make homemade lavender soap. Lavender is a medicinal plant with lots of beneficial attributes. It also has an astonishing fragrance and color as well. In this article we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to make natural lavender soap at home with 2 recipes. One recipe is more elaborate, while the other is more simple. This soap provides several benefits, and can be used in several ways. It is also a very inexpensive and very original gift. Why lavender soap? We will talk about a few reasons as to why we recommend making your own lavender soap. Because it is a relaxing plant. Because it is antiseptic, astringent, antiviral, and antibacterial, which is why it is very recommended for improving the healing of cuts, dermatitis, eczema, acne, boils, or burns. Because lavender is frequently used in cleaning products. Because its purple color gives it an original touch. Because it has a delicious aroma. Because it is a very smooth plant, also recommended for children and babies. Because we can use this soap to add fragrance to dressers, clothing, the bed, etc. Because it is a simple and original gift. Directions for soap making. First, we will list the ingredients to use. 210 ml olive oil or sunflower oil. 30 grams caustic soda. 65 ml distilled water. Lavender essential oil. Fresh or dried lavender flowers. You should also prepare the following utensils. A pan in whatever shape you like. One option is to cut off the bottom of a bottle or a brick. Do not use aluminum molds. Protective glasses for handling the caustic soda. Hand blender. Cooking pot. Glass bowl. Wooden spoon for stirring. Directions. Get the pan ready and first, place a few lavender flowers in it so that when you remove the soap from the mold, the flowers show up on the top portion of the soap. Carefully, and while using protective glasses, place the glass bowl in the sink and put the caustic soda in it. Then add the distilled water. Follow this order to avoid splashing. Because this process produces a reaction that causes gases, allow it to set until it cools. Ideally you should do this by an open window, so as to ventilate well as soon as possible. Place the oil in the pot, and warm over low heat. When the oil has heated to about 40 degrees Celsius, remove from heat and carefully mix in the caustic soda, using the hand blender. Keep it from splashing. Then, and without waiting for it to cool, add 20 to 30 drops of lavender essential oil and more lavender flowers. Mix well. Pour this mixture into the mold and add more lavender flowers so they are visible from this side as well. Cover with a towel to retain heat until it turns to soap. Let set until it cools, between 12 and 24 hours, making sure not to move or stir it. Once it's cold, you can remove it from the mold. Leave in a fresh and dry place so that it becomes hard and matures, between 1.5 to 2 months. If you are satisfied with the results, you can make more the next time, multiplying the ingredients proportionally and using several molds, or even a plum cake mold. If you decide to use this mold, cut the soap with a knife into pieces once it has already cooled. Store slightly separated so that it can mature and dry well. We recommend handling the caustic soda with great care, always keeping children and pets far away. Always use protective glasses, and even a mask and gloves, because this material is very corrosive. If it ever touches your skin at any time, immediately apply a bit of vinegar to it. A very simple alternative recipe. If you don't want to complicate things too much, we have a more simple option that is also homemade. Buy a transparent or clear glycerin bar. Place it in a double boiler until it melts. Then add a few drops of essential lavender oil and a few lavender flowers. While still hot, place in a pan that is the desired shape, and allow to cool.